Hi there, I'm back with a little tutorial. So instead of a really complicated recipe, although my recipes aren't that complicated, I'm going to show you how to make scrambled eggs perfectly. And it's just a couple little tricks, and I just thought I'd share them. Thank you for tuning in. Jana eats gluten and casein free recipes. So I am going to use ghee for this recipe. It's low to no casein, but it is dairy, so if you do have a problem with ghee, you can certainly use any kind of oil, avocado, olive oil, coconut oil. So I'm going to take some ghee, and ghee is delicious. It really, really is. It's actually more buttery tasting than butter, I think, just because the milk solids have been removed. And look, eat good fat. Then I took 3 eggs, and you can do any kind. So I'm going to beat those well with a fork. And I have my ghee melting. Now the trick to this is low and slow, right? So you're not going to want to cook the eggs quickly. You're going to be patient and gently cook them over a relatively low heat source. I have this induction burner and I have it at 100. It may be too low. Maybe not. We'll find out. As usual, we're doing things together. So I'm going to pour the eggs into the pan. I'm going to season them after I'm done or towards the end of the scramble. And then I'm just going to keep moving them around in the pan. I might turn it up just a little bit if it'll do it. Oh, it is doing it. Cool. It's the first time I've used one of these burners, so put that in my baby book, Mom. First time using an induction burner. But I love this because I can do an overhead shot easily and show you guys how it's progressing. So again, doesn't look like much is happening, but it's working. So when you do it low and slow, they're going to be really soft. They're not going to be those hard kind of cafeteria eggs. They're just going to be soft and cooked through and perfect, because I don't like an undercooked egg either. I'm one of those people. I did turn the heat up a little bit because 100 was just too low. I mean, let's face it, that's body temperature. So it's up to 170, but they're just starting to thicken. So I'm going to put a little salt. And again, love me my Premier pink salt. Nice minerals, lots of them. Support your cells. Ooh, look, it's starting. See that? Low and slow. Like right when you think, oh, this isn't going to work, something starts happening. And eggs are such a great protein source. There are things in, there are minerals and vitamins in particularly the yolk. That's why egg white omelets to me. Eat a yolk. It's full of choline, which is something that your body, your brain in particular, loves choline. And you can't get it in a lot of other food sources. That's why a nice, hollandaise, choline-rich deliciousness. Now you can see they're just now starting to have some form. And I usually pull them off. I don't like them too wet. Like I said, it kind of grosses me out, but that's me. And there you go, like this. These are perfect. And they'll keep cooking a little more out of the pan just because they'll be with each other, and the residual heat will keep cooking that egg. But there you go. Bam! Perfect scrambled huevos. Come back, make some eggs, tell me how it worked. Talk to you soon and see you next week. Thanks for tuning in.